This package just arrived.
It was from YouTube.
First off, huge shout out to you. Thank you for being a value creator in the YouTube Partner Program. Whether you've been with us from the start or you're new to the program, we know it takes a lot of hard work to make it on YouTube. It's an achievement so awesome, in fact, we think you deserve a reward. Welcome to YouTube Partner Perks.
Lights, camera,
Glow.
YouTube, give me a free pizza.
free sausage roll.
My LED light.
It's our way of giving a little love back to amazing partners like you who power this platform.
You guys are amazing.
We're talking exclusive merch and surprise rewards.
How cool is this?
And Partner Perks is our way of saying we see the work and we appreciate everything that you do.
They see what we're doing.
Your journey, creativity, and passion has made YouTube what it is today.
Thank you, YouTube.
Because when you create with heart, it shows.
That makes me ridiculously happy.
And it also pays off.
I will keep making videos.
So keep creating, keep experimenting, and keep being you. We can't wait to see what you do next.
So another treat from YouTube Partner Perks, and this time it's a limited edition YouTube Clapperboard. So I quickly signed up for this and I find this Clapperboard really cute. So it says here by the end of August. So there are only 4,800 available Clapperboards to be given away. This is the first come first serve basis and they already released 1,600 Clapperboards. I also have another reward that YouTube gave me, and it is a free cinema ticket for AMC and Regal Cinema. Unfortunately, we don't have a nearest AMC or Regal Cinema in the area. That's sad. So, ayun na nga, another vlog for our YouTube Partner Perks. And as you can see sa aking email kanina from YouTube ay meron na naman ako makukuha from YouTube Partner Perks. And excited na akong makita kung ano yun. Samahan nyo ako sa sa aming mailbox dahil na-receive ko na yung email nila na nandyan na daw ang aking another YouTube Partner Perk. So tara guys, samahan nyo ako, ayan, i-check out ang aming mailbox. So again, nakakatuwa na meron na naman akong perks na makukuha or gift na makukuha from YouTube. And that's from YouTube Partner Perks. And ayun, I am so excited, most definitely excited kasi nung nakita ko yung email na yun, I already signed up for that. And very limited lang yung binibigay ng YouTube na freebies, 'di ba? Very limited lang tong ibibigay nila. And that's why I signed up right away kasi sobrang cute nung for this month's perk. Ayan. And ayun. We'll see in a bit kung ano nga ba yun. And wala lang, nakaka-excite. So kung meron kayong chance na makapag-sign up for YouTube Partner Perks, please do. Kasi sobrang cute ng mga products nila and mga freebies nila. So the last vlog that I have with this YouTube partner program is a free meal from Chipotle. I don't know kung na-remember nyo guys, but makikita nyo naman sa aking mga videos. So I've got a free meal from Chipotle and sobrang nabusog talaga ako nun. Thank you again YouTube partner program for that Chipotle. And ayan, for this month, August. So, ayun. Nung nag-sign up ako, sabi nila, makukuha ko daw yon last week of August. Maghintay daw ako ng email from YouTube. And, ayun, I signed up for that quickly. That's why ito, makukuha ko na siya. And, ayun, pinalad. Kasi sobrang hirap at hindi siya ganun kadali mag-sign up agad kasi siguro paunahan. So, ayun. Buti naman at pinala tayo na maka-sign up right away. Kasi nga, so paunahan siya yung listahan. Siguro kaya ganun. And, ayun. I'm so glad! Ayun, tayo ay pupunta doon sa mailbox namin. Wait lang. So, ito ang neighborhood. Ito ang baler. Ayan ang neighborhood. Ayan ang aming driveway. At dito ang mailbox. Ayan. So, ayun, nakikita nyo ang aming mailbox. Ayan. Ayan ang mga number. Meron kaming mailbox sa right and meron kaming mailbox sa left. So, right and left. So, ang aming mailbox ay nandito sa right side. Number 4. Ayan. Ayan. Oh my goodness. Ayun. So, ayan. It's a USPS parcel select. It's from Salt Lake City, Utah. Ang package. Tapos meron pa doon may mail. Ayan, so isasarado na natin. Ayan, and tayo ay pabalik sa aming bahay. Yun. Ito ang aming neighborhood. Nakita nyo na tong neighborhood namin sa mga vlogs ko. And that is our house. So, ayan. So, ayan, nandito ako sa aming garage at nakuha ko na ang aking parcel from YT. Ayan, tayo ay papasok sa loob ng bahay namin para i-unbox na to. Kung ano nga bang laman nito. So, ayun, kita pa yung basura. So, ayun lang. Ayun, thank you so much, YouTube. Ayan, YouTube Partner Perks. Ayan, it's YouTube Partner Perks. Ayan, thank you so much. And yan, nakascore tayo ng it's a YouTube Clapperboard. Director's Board. I don't know which one. But, ayan, thank you so much. And yun, I don't know kung next month ano ang perks na marireceive natin. It's either this cute item again, another YouTube cute item, or food freebies. So remember 2 months ago, 3 months ago, I uploaded Chipotle YouTube Partner Perks. So I got a free food from Chipotle. And for this month, ayan, I got this cute YouTube Director's Clapperboard. Or it's YouTube Clapperboard. So, ayan. Meron pa siyang box. box from, ayan, meron pa siyang box from YouTube. Kaya, ayan, sobrang cute niya. And, meron din siyang, whiteboard marker. Syempre, for our YouTube Clapperboard. So, ayun. And, of course, it's a YouTube partner perks. So, lights, camera, action. So, ang sabi dito ay, you've scored a limited edition YouTube Clapperboard. So, tama ako. This one is a Clapperboard. Ayan. Made just for valued partners like you. Ako daw yun. O, diba? Nakaka-touch naman talaga si YouTube, no? Na a-appreciate niya ang mga ginagawa kong videos and yun nga yung mga vlogs ko. Ayan. This one-of-a-kind item is our special thank you for all your hard work and creativity. Ayun. We'd love to see your new Clapperboard in your next video. Show us the magic, the bloopers, and everything in between. So, this is from the YouTube Partner Perks. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga vlogs. Team Elsie, shouty! Thank you guys. Till my next vlog.